Beneath the roots of the world, where stone remembers and fire endures, dwell the Dawi, the dwarves, stubborn, proud, unyielding. Forged in the anvil of ages, their halls stand as bastions against the darkness. From the thunder of the forges, armies march. Each warrior clad in steel, wrought by kinship and oath. Their hammers ring as echoes of defiance, promising vengeance upon all who trespass. Step by step, march by march, the Dawi reclaim what was lost. Fire and iron meet flesh and bone. Here, every stroke of the axe is justice. Every cannon's roar, a promise fulfilled. Though the foe is countless, though the enemy is relentless, the Dawi endure. Their will is stone, their resolve unbreakable. Victory is not glory to them. It is survival, it is vengeance. It is debt repaid in blood. And so the mountains echo still. The Dawi remain, keepers of stone, avengers of oaths, lords of fire and forge. The sons of stone shall not fall.